Hey guys, I'm just going to be doing what's it called? Slime video, because I got a package, and by the way, this is a spoof, so don't get like mad. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, I just got a package and it was like overflowing. I opened it a little bit and then everything just started like coming out. So I opened the package and everything just spilled out, spilled out. So what I ordered was one blue slime, which was not supposed to be a foam, but I guess it is. One green slime, which was supposed to be a foam. One pink slime, which I have 3 of actually. She said she included extras. So one pink slime. I ordered a purple slime. I said one pink slime, two what's it called, yellow slimes, which I'm assuming this is one because it's like orange, and then I guess this could be one because like it's, I don't know. And then this, I think this is an extra, I think. And I ordered 5 slimes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one's an extra. So yeah, I'm just gonna start playing with them. So if I open this container, which is kind of, this slime's very hard, but yeah, it's very hard, like extremely hard. I'll show you. This is the slime. As you can see, it's like really hard. I'm sorry that I don't have like a tripod to hold this up, but this is like a really hard slime. Like, I don't think you guys can tell how hard it is. It's like looks stretchy, but it's like really not. Like, look. And like, look, it rips apart very easily. Of course, it's like not doing what I want it to do, like when I'm trying to show the camera. So I guess that's that slime. And this slime is so sticky, I'm not even going to take it out of the container. You know, I'm going to take it out of the container. Just, so I'm gonna, so this slime is coming out of the container. Let's see what you guys can see. Okay, so this slime's gonna come out of the container. It's really, really sticky. Okay. It's an okay slime, I guess. Minus that it's really sticky. It's kind of good. Yeah. It's not the right color, but yeah. So that's that. This one is the extra, so I have to be impressed by it. It is very, very sticky. I actually can't take that one out. This is... Whoa, it's literally liquid. I'm not going to take any more out. It's like, as you can see, it's like not even in there, but it looks like it is, because it's stuck to the sides of the container. I guess I could activate this later if I wanted. So I could definitely activate this later, which I am going to. It will probably be like a good slime if I activated it. Whoa, very, very sticky. Sorry if you hear background noises, my dog's here. Yeah. And I'm a very loud breather. Oh wow, this is a horrible slime. Okay, I guess that this slime's over with. See, very bad. I guess I'll just mix it into this one. Ooh, this slime's, it's like it's a butter slime. Oh, it's actually a really good slime. It's a butter slime. it's really good butter slime, not like this one. I forgot which one was my extra, but yeah, the container still looks really full. Oh, I found one more slime. Okay, great. I guess there was 2 extras. She did say extras with a plural, so S. Ooh, this is a pretty good slime. It's kind of jiggly. It's a little bit hard, but it's an extra, so I have to be happy with it. There's 2 more slimes I'm going to show you guys. One is this one, which is really sticky. But it's pretty good. And she said that this slime, the last slime, she said one of her slimes was known to get sticky. Maybe it was this one, but it could also be this one. This one's pretty sticky. Oh, well, it's in a very bad container. I'm only going to play with a little bit of this one because it smells really good, and I don't want it to lose its scent. So, I'm going to do more than this, of course, but it's just very sticky, so. Great, you know, because, like, why not? So I'm only going to play with this much because it's not really coming out of the container, and it's really, really sticky. I will activate this. Whoa. I'm just going to, you know, put it back in the container because it's great. Well, that's great. This is great, you know. She did say one of the slimes was known to get sticky. I say this is stickier than the extra. First actually the pink extra, this one. Well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this spoof video. It is a spoof, just so you guys know, and this slime it wasn't sticky at all, and I kind of had to make it sticky. It's literally just glue now. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.